Most of us have suffered a severe pain in the lower chest and upper abdomen. The most common reason for this is heartburn or acid reflux. Most of the times you have taken tablets or sachets to get an instant relief. But do you know the acidity is because of the poor lifestyle and faulty diet? I am Dr. Swapnil Nagwekar, founder of Dr. Swapnil's Health Arc. I regularly post videos on health and wellness that will impact your life. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. In this video, you will get information in regards to acidity. What is acidity? What are the causes of acidity? What are the symptoms of acidity? And what are the remedies to relieve this acidity? What is acidity? Acidity is characterized by severe heartburn in which the stomach acids flows back into the food pipe, that is esophagus. What are the causes of acidity? First is unhealthy eating habits. When you eat at irregular time or excessive eating or eating just before sleeping can cause acidity. Second is overconsumption of certain kinds of foods like excessive intake of tea, coffee, carbonated drinks and also spicy foods. Certain medications like steroids, painkillers and antibiotics can also cause acidity. Lifestyle changes like lack of sleep, excessive stress, overconsumption of alcohol and smoking can cause acidity. What are the symptoms of acidity? You can have a burning pain and sensation in the throat region. You can also have a burning pain and sensation in the stomach region, indigestion, regurgitation, frequent burping. You can have also hiccups because of this. A lot of symptoms can occur because of this acidity problem. So what are the lifestyle changes required to prevent acidity? First thing is don't overeat. Excessive consumption of large meals at one time can worsen your acidity problems. Most of the times people with acidity have weakened lower esophageal sphincter. So as a result, when you consume large meals, it puts pressure on your lower esophageal sphincter, and as a result the stomach acids goes back into the esophagus and causes acidity. Second point is try to reduce weight if you are obese. Excessive amount of belly fat can put pressure on your lower esophageal sphincter. As a result, it can be pushed upwards, that is called hiatus hernia. Most of the times we have seen pregnant ladies and obese patients have suffered severe acidity because of the hiatus hernia. So if you lose belly fat, you're definitely going to get relief of this acidity. Avoid excessive consumption of alcohol. Overconsumption of alcohol can increase your stomach acids and it also relaxes the lower esophageal muscle. As a result, the stomach acid can flow back into the esophagus and can worsen your symptoms. So if you're consuming excessive amount of alcohol, try to limit it or avoid the alcohol intake. Don't drink too much of coffee. Coffee can relax your lower esophageal muscle. As a result, it can worsen your symptoms. So if coffee is giving you heartburn, then kindly avoid it or limit your intake. Limit your intake of carbonated beverages. Carbonated beverages like soda, cold drinks contain a lot of carbon dioxide. As a result, it causes a lot of belching and it can aggravate your acid reflux symptoms. So if you are consuming excessive amount of carbonated beverages, try to avoid or limit your intake. Avoid eating just prior to sleeping time. It has been observed that people who eat just prior to the sleeping time can aggravate their acid reflux symptoms and heartburn. So try to maintain a gap of at least 2 to 3 hours between the meals and the sleeping time. Most of the acid reflux symptoms occur at the night time, which can disrupt your sleep. Studies have shown that if you elevate the head end of the bed, can be an effective remedy to reduce the symptoms of acid reflux. Don't sleep on your right side as it can worsen your acid reflux symptoms. Try sleeping on your left side as it will help in free flow of acids from esophagus into the stomach. And the last is avoid smoking. Smoking causes irritation of the trachea and esophagus, which causes coughing, which can trigger acid reflux. What are the common kitchen ingredients which you can try in reducing your acid reflux symptoms? Try eating teaspoon of fennel seeds immediately after meals every day. Second is buttermilk. If you have severe acidity, try drinking 1 glass of buttermilk which contains lactic acid which neutralizes the stomach acids. Try eating a small piece of jaggery after meals. Jaggery helps in digestion, and because of its alkaline nature, it helps in neutralizing the stomach acids. Try munching few cumin seeds after meals. Cumin seed is a great acid neutralizer. It helps in digestion and also helps in relieving your stomach pain. If you have regular acid reflux symptoms, try having coconut water, which has a very soothing effect on the stomach, and it changes the pH of the body from the acidic to the alkaline nature. When the symptoms are mild, simple home remedies and lifestyle changes can be very beneficial in relieving the acid reflux symptoms. If the symptoms are severe and persistent, try to seek immediate medical attention and further investigation like endoscopy. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.